Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to get a discount on Ontaki. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even Ontaki deals for 2026. Without further ado, let's begin. First, go to the Ontaki website and browse the available scissors, grooming tools, hair cutting shears, and other products. Take some time to compare the different models and read the product descriptions to find the one that best suits your needs. Once you've selected the items you want, add them to your cart. Before checking out, look around the homepage for promotional banners, seasonal sales, and limited time offers that may help you save on your purchase. You can also sign up for the Ontaki email newsletter to receive updates about new products, exclusive promotions, and special discount offers. Subscribers may also receive welcome savings on eligible orders. If you're a new customer, check your email for any welcome coupon or first order promotion before completing your purchase. Now open your shopping cart and review all the items you've selected. Proceed to the checkout page and look for the promo code or discount code field. If you have a valid coupon code, enter it and click apply. Make sure the discount is reflected in your order total before continuing. You may also want to check for holiday promotions or special sales events, as Ontaki regularly offers discounts during seasonal campaigns. Review your order carefully, including product details, shipping costs, taxes, and any discounts that have been applied. After that, enter your shipping and payment information. Double check that everything is correct and that your savings have been applied successfully. Then complete your purchase using your preferred payment method. After placing your order, keep an eye on your email for future promotions, exclusive offers, and upcoming sales events. You can also follow Ontaki on social media to stay updated on new product launches, giveaways, and limited time discounts. Before making future purchases, check the Ontaki website again, as the company frequently offers seasonal promotions and verified discount codes that can help you save even more on your next order. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Ontaki deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.